think that's the guy from Tunnel, Tim. Did you see? Oh, you good, bro? Yo. Yeah, bro. Like, what do you do for a living? I love your car. I actually ask people in nice cars, what do you do for a living? Yeah, Peter. Or is there anything that you do on the side? I always see you on TV. Alright, ngaphandle kubumpana amsele utravel emoto yini enye wenzayo? You specialize in security. So like, how do you deal with the media hate, yabo, and the controversy with people just slandering you? Sure. Issue. Alright. Okay, so alright. So like, do you have any life tips, advice? Alright. Thank God. Salute.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. So Umpumelelo was spotted driving a very expensive car, and if they're asking him, Oti, what do you do for a living? He's saying, "Ngumfana kaMseleku." So I saw this video on TikTok, and the comments underneath, people are saying how it's now a career to be umfana kaMseleku, of which there is nothing wrong with that. Honestly, it's just that Ngumpumelelo who has scandals. So obviously people, it's not sitting well with people. But otherwise, I honestly see nothing wrong, absolutely nothing wrong with a child eating his father's money, because at the end of the day, vele as parents, we are working for our kids, you know, so that they can inherit some generational wealth whatsoever nje. Sisebenzela ingane zethu vele nje. So there's nothing wrong with that. Inkinga nje uthi Umpumelelo, Nkosi yami. Umpumelelo has a bad name now. Even if it's a good thing, even if there's nothing wrong with it, people will always see something wrong. Some people were saying that he's failing to answer a simple question, what do you do for a living? But if it was Umnini was going to answer even better. But anyways, Ushilonje Watiena is running a security company, even though Umayini doesn't know about it. Guys, I saw Umpumelelo on a live, you know, ngathi nje use Lekish restaurant of some sort. How far true is that thing? Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.